I had a problem. Since moving into my new place, it seemed like my inventory and projects just overtook everything. Every surface that I had was being used for a restoration or some form of work, and I needed some space so that I could feel creative again. Cue in these two. This is my mom and one of my sisters, and they came to my rescue. First, we had to pull everything we had out. Then we could start shifting things around as we made space. I am so grateful that they were up to the task. We also got to do things like organize all of my jewelry. And of course, just like all of us would, they loved trying things on. Come on, how can you touch it all without getting to wear it? They made these drawers look so pretty. This is gonna help a lot with photography. After that, we took a bit of a lunch break, and then back to more sorting. And dance parties, of course. I'm so excited to make this space my own now, and to be able to have some resemblance of organization. Having my own business is brand new for me, and learning how to work with this space has been tough. But thanks to a little help from my family and some thrift store inspiration, I'm looking forward to revamping this space. Thanks for watching.